Hi everyone and welcome to ICO Investor, and in today's video we're going to learn about an incredible exchange called Crypto.com. So if you want to learn how to potentially can actually start making money not just from trading but from other features in this incredible platform, make sure to watch till the end. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so if you want to start trading with confidence, Crypto.com is the world's fastest and most secure crypto trading platform that you can get by just clicking the link down below in order to get to the website and get started. Now, this is an incredible platform and very easy to use, and in a few minutes I'm going to show you how you can actually sign up and do all the process, and it's really easy and simple. I think that the beauty in this platform is that you can actually trade anytime and anywhere, meaning that you don't even have to have a computer in order to get started. You can download their app on the App Store or in Google Play, so it doesn't matter which phone you have, you can actually get started. Now, an incredible opportunity that beautiful and not all sites has, that you can actually refer and make money. So you can actually click as I showed you in here, and then you will get to this page, and as you can see, you will be able to see the referral program, and you will see that you can actually get rewarded up $2,000 in CRO for every friend that you refer for the crypto exchange, because you can actually get 50% of their trading fees, which is incredible. And by the way, there are no referral limits, so you can actually send it to as many friends as you want, and your friends can actually each will be rewarded upon meeting the requirements. And also you will be able to get bonus credited instantly, meaning that you will refer and you will receive their bonuses immediately once the conditions are met. So if you're interested to also make more money, not just from this feature of actually referring friends, it's a great way that you and your friends have the opportunity to make some money. Now, as you can see on the website in here, you can actually see the trending coins, and actually you can see also the top gainers, the top volume, and also you can see what's new. Now, I think that when you will see what's new, it's great because some of the projects, when you open it, and you will be able to see the trading features that you can actually see, and you can see also the actions that you can do. So as you can see, you can buy sand in market price, you can actually put limit, also you can put spot limit, which is great, and also have a bar in here, and then you decide. So let's say that, for example, I put this amount, and then I'm buying volume like this amount. It really doesn't matter. So I will be able to get started when I will log in, and then you will see that when I will have crypto in it, so I will be able to actually choose and put the details in here, and then I will be able to trade. So in here is Sand views B2C like Bitcoin, and also I have the feature of the changes in here and the highest and the low and the 24 hours volume in here. So it's great. As you can see, you have a lot of features in here, and if you're a very advanced trader, so you also have indicators like graphs of 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and if you are looking on 1 day, or you want to see the different candles and changes in the past 12 hours, so you can also do that. And you also have a lot of tools in here, which is great because a lot of times, I don't know, at least me, sometimes when I want to look on different features, so when I'm drawing different stuff, so it's not easy, but it's easier to analyze and to look sometimes to see if you think that the graph is going up or the graph is going down. So if you want, you can actually click on markets, for example, and when you get to markets, so you'll be able to see also the coins in here, and you can see the coins USDT and also USDC. You can see coins use BTC and also CRO. Actually, you can see also the trading volume in here, the 24 hours low, 24 hours high, and the 24 hours change. And also you can actually filter them by that. So let's say you want to filter them by the last price, so you can also do that, and it's great. And also you can do it by the volume. So as you can see, this is the highest volume in the past 24 hours. And if you want, you can click it again, and then you will be able to see the lowest, which is great. Also, you can click on the spot in here, and as you can see, you can also leverage it, and you can see that there is a margin of 10x, which is awesome, but not recommended for beginners, of course. And as you can see, you can actually click on the spot, and then you can also see the different changes. And of course, that is not only with BTC vs USDT. I just took it for an example. So let's take a different example, just so that you will be able to see. So for example, DOT, so I can see the changes in the graph. And as I said, I can also purchase them like buy and market. As you can see, I can sell in the market price, or I can actually put limit. And also I can put different spot limit, which is great because sometimes you don't want to be online on the graph. Sometimes you would just want to go to sleep, which is awesome. And also you can see that you can put OCO limit and much more. Now also a new feature that they have is the OTC. What is exactly the OTC? So it's actually a selected institutional and VIP users can use over the counter trading to place larger orders, and their trading engine actually provides this clients with custom quotes instantly and securely. And actually the minimum order amount is 50,000 USDT or equivalent, and the maximum order amount is 1 million USDT or equivalent to that. So let's say, for example, you choose a different coin, so it needs to be equivalent to that, and it's awesome. And also another thing that I wanted to show you, when you click on the spot, so you'll be able to see also the order book, as you can see in here, and the trading history, which when you want to analyze, so it can give you a lot of information about different coins. So as you can see, dot views CRO, for example, so you can see here that there are a lot of features in here. And as I said, sometimes you can actually use different tools in here in order to be able to see more in details and actually to see more clearly different changes in here. And it really helps when you start trading a lot. Sometimes you want to try to recognize pattern, whether it's going up, whether it's going down, and with that you use the right position, actually buy along and hopefully make some money. And you want to get started, you are more than welcome to click the link down below to get to crypto.com in order to get started. Now to sign up, the process is very easy. You just click on sign up and then you fill in your details. So I'll fill in the details for a minute. And then after that, you need to agree to the terms of service. All you need is to just click in here and actually read them, and also read the crypto.com privacy notice, and then crypto.com exchange, which is actually the terms of service. And then you click on I agree that the data will be used to check and notify me on whether Crypto.com Exchange is available in my region. And then you click on verifying. And then after that, you need to they want to make sure that you're not a robot or something like that. And then you need to click on create an account. Then you will get to your email a verification. And then, so I'm going to do that, and then I will show you what happens. Then you click on verify, and then you need to fill in your phone number. So I'll do that for a moment. And then after you click submit, so you will get SMS to your phone. So, and then you need to fill in that. It's only a one-time password. And then you check the SMS on your phone, and then you just fill it in here. And then you click on verify. And then all you need is actually to provide an ID verification, meaning to actually post. And lastly, after you will actually upload your ID, okay, an ID verification. So all you will need is to actually do a selfie. And after you do a selfie, that's it. You will be able to log in and to start trading. And if you want to get started, all you need is to, as I said, go to the link down below, crypto.com. So you will see all the open orders that you have in here. And if you will click here to see all the orders history that you had in the past day, the past week, the past month, or to the choosing of the dates in here, and then you will be able to see everything. And it's very simple. And that's mainly it. You will see the process is not that complicated. And in order to actually be able to enjoy using it, now if you're an advanced trader, also you can not just use the spot, but you can also look on all the perpetual, actually see in here all the details that, and actually choose what you want to trade, which options. And also you have futures in here, and actually you will be able to see, and also you can see the expired features. That way you will be able to make hopefully better decisions on your future tradings. And also you can actually see different coins, like for example, decentralized exchanges, GameFis, landing, memes, NFTs, metaverse. So let's say that you're very passionate about the metaverse. So as you can see, X Infinity views USDT in here, and you can also do 10x in here. So if you want, you can actually click in here on trade, and then you will be able to get started. And also, of course, that before you actually starting and you're reading about the project, of course, that also it's a smart idea to actually analyze that graphs and to make your decisions also based by that. But of course, that before you get started with trading, get into more videos in our channel and actually learn a little bit more before you get started. and enjoy. So for a summary, if you want to get started with trading, Crypto.com is an incredible place that you can actually get started because it's fast, is secure, and also it's easy to use. It's very user friendly, which is incredible. So even if you're a total beginner, you will be able to see also on their apps and also on their desktop platform that it's very, very easy. Like everything is very straightforward, which is very, very important, especially when you are new in this platform specifically. And also if you have any questions, you can scroll down, and also you have a chat in here, so you'll be able to ask questions and also see different articles about different questions that you have. And also if you would like, you will be able to read much more about the fees and limits in here. You will be able to see the FAQs that will answer probably most of the questions that you have because it's the most frequently asked questions. That's mainly it. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our ICO Investor channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.